A paint chip. Not a boulder, not a rocket. A fleck of paint, traveling 17,500 miles per hour, left a crater in a space shuttle window. That is what space junk can do. Because in orbit, speed changes everything. A speck smaller than your fingernail can hit like a bullet. Right now, Earth is surrounded by more than 45,000 tracked objects, satellites, rocket bodies, and shattered fragments. But the scariest pieces are the ones we can't track, over 1 million shards between 1 and 10 centimeters. So what really happens when one hits a spacecraft? At orbital speed, it's an explosion, not a tap. Metal vaporizes, surfaces crack, melt, or blast outward. If the crew is lucky, the outer shield spreads the energy before it reaches life support or electronics. That's why the International Space Station is built like a sandwich. Layer 1 breaks the debris apart. The next layers absorb the shrapnel cloud. But a marble-sized fragment, too small to track reliably, big enough to damage solar panels or radiators, can still ruin the day. And this junk pile didn't appear overnight. Every launch leaves leftovers, empty fuel tanks, dead satellites, and fragments from past explosions. In 2009, an active satellite slammed into a dead one over Siberia, instantly creating 1,800 new chunks of debris. Each new piece becomes its own threat, a runaway chain reaction scientists call Kessler Syndrome. If that cascade spins out of control, low Earth orbit could become much harder to use for astronauts and for the satellites behind GPS, weather forecasts, disaster tracking, banking signals, and your internet. Quiet problems hiding behind everyday technology. That's exactly what this channel explores. So what is NASA doing about it? They track large objects and move the space station when a close pass becomes risky. Mission planners also try to prevent new junk before it happens by deorbiting old hardware and removing leftover fuel that could explode later. But cleanup is the hard part. Nets, harpoons, drag sails, even lasers. Clever ideas, but none are scaled yet for the size of the problem. And the sky is getting busier. Thousands of new satellites are launching for global internet and communication. More traffic means more chances for failures, mistakes, and close calls. We figured out how to reach space. We built satellites that run the modern world. Now every object we leave behind becomes part of a minefield future missions must survive. All from a paint chip. Which fix would you bet on? Nets, lasers, or something nobody's tried yet? Let me know below, and I'll see you in the next story.